Welcome to Digitech Help Desk.
Ever wondered how cryptocurrency works? Or perhaps how it came to be the global phenomenon it is today? Imagine a world where physical money is a thing of the past and digital currencies reign supreme. That world isn't a distant future, it's here, it's now, and it's called cryptocurrency. Our journey begins in the year 2008 amid the ashes of the global financial crisis, when an anonymous entity known as Satoshi Nakamoto published the Bitcoin white paper. This document laid the groundwork for the world's first cryptocurrency, a digital asset that promised a decentralized form of currency, controlled not by governments but by the people. Fast forward to 2009, the Bitcoin network came alive. Nakamoto mined the first block of the Bitcoin blockchain, known as the Genesis block. The next significant milestone was in 2010. It was this year that Bitcoin was first used to buy something in the real world. 2 pizzas to be exact, for 10,000 Bitcoins. Today those pizzas would be worth millions. By 2011, Bitcoin began to face competition. Other cryptocurrencies started to emerge, with Litecoin and Namecoin leading the pack. This marked the beginning of the altcoin era, altcoin being any cryptocurrency that isn't Bitcoin. The years that followed saw a surge in the popularity and value of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Ethereum launched in 2015, introducing smart contracts and paving the way for initial coin offerings, a new way for projects to raise funds. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. It operates independently of a central bank. Transactions are made with no middlemen, meaning no banks. Cryptocurrency offers several key advantages. It provides decentralization, as it's not controlled by any government or organization. It offers transparency, with all transactions being recorded on a public ledger known as the blockchain. And it provides pseudo-anonymity, as transactions are linked to cryptographic addresses, not personal identities. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Cryptocurrency also has its challenges. It can be highly volatile, with prices fluctuating wildly. It's been associated with illicit activities due to its anonymous nature. And there's also the risk of loss if private keys are mismanaged. But despite these challenges, cryptocurrency has proven itself to be a game changer. It's revolutionized the way we think about currency, commerce, and even the very nature of the internet itself. So, whether you're a seasoned crypto trader or just curious about this digital frontier, remember, cryptocurrency isn't just a type of money, it's a movement towards a more transparent, decentralized, and democratic financial future.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click for bell icon for future videos.